Hi, good morning. Today we are leaving for this place called Kami Dada, which is near Sindhupal Chowk. So we are. This place is some 50 kilometers away. So it'll take us almost like 3 to 4 hours to reach this place. So now we are starting to this place with blankets, dal, rice, and our other team is in the other house from where we have to pick up rice sacks as well. So some of the sacks are here. Now if you can see, each kit has one sanitary napkin and a comb here and 4 masks. This is a family kit actually, and there is ORS here to prevent water diseases which spread because of water, and Dant Manjan here and a soap. So these are the things available in this kit. So here now actually water prone diseases can be really fast spreading. So that's why we have this kit given to them. Okay, now here is our micro set to leave. They are ready with the blankets here and rice bags inside as well. It's all stuffed in. And now we'll be going and picking up more rice bags from the other house. We came to know that this vehicle cannot go all the way to Kami Dada. So that's why we are here at a place where this is a factory. So we are exchanging transport. So we'll be loading all the goods in this big vehicle, which can go there. So everything will be unloaded and shifted to the bigger vehicle.
Okay, good, thank you.
So we had to wait here for a while actually till we got this other transport, and we had to shift it. I believe the roads are bad, so the smaller vehicle won't go there. Okay, the goods still being loaded and taken in the vehicle. It's all here we came to know that the village far there is actually far off. That village, some of the houses were distributed food already. So we are going to call the villagers from behind that mountain hill, and these families, these houses which you can see here. So we'll be calling these people from this village and far off village which is behind the mountain. They'll all come and get collected in one place where we would be distributing food. We have come here to a tea shop, as we have come to know that to collect the people in one place, it's going to take a little time, all the villagers in one place. So that's how we have come to this tea shop waiting for them. And in the meantime, the driver has gone to check out the roads as well, where he can take a turn, and because the roads are like winding, so they're not straight. So he needs to find out exactly where to go, how to go. Now if you okay, starting with the process of distribution now. Here, our team distributing the blankets, the sanitary kit. Food. Everything together. And we are giving it to one person in the family. Next person. So here the Okay, this is the list of people that the leader has prepared in this village. Whom we have to distribute to the list of people of broken families. Okay, the blanket is being given first and then the food so that they can carry everything in the blanket. The distribution is still going on. Our team distributing food here.
जीते लामा रामेश्वर तिवारी
Done now. We are finished with the distribution, so they're all happy and we're done. And we are leaving They're waving us goodbye. They're very happy to receive. They said all the families got the food and the blankets and the kit, so they are very happy.